Brian back here with a look at Cardano. Look at this breakout. This is on the monthly chart, all right? You can see that break of resistance right here, this big green candle right here. The blue line is your sloping resistance level. Look at this breakout, right? I believe this thing could be in for a pretty decent run here, all right? You got the monthly RSI still heading up. It's at a 60 and a 41. Lots of room to come up. Look at this, the regular RSI. Still down in the 45. All right, so this thing could have much higher targets. All right, we're gonna take a look at this chart here. Let's go over to Coin Market Cap real quick and look at the volume that's come in the last 24 hours and see what's going on here. Oops, I apologize. I just looked at ARC for a subscriber. And if you're interested, guys, I'd love you to sign up. The trading classes are still $14.99, so level 3 membership will get you that. So take advantage of that. Like 17 videos, over 6 hours of trading lessons. So, make it well worth your while. All right, with the market cap here, 13.6 billion. 422 million in volume last 24 hours. That's down 22.5%. But Cardano, 13.6 billion. Who would have thought? I got in this way, about I don't know, going on 4 years ago now. Was lucky enough to get it at 4 cents. So I love ADA. All right, let's take a look back here at this chart and see where this thing could be heading. That monthly RSI still heading up. The weekly is at a 186. All right, that weekly can stay up there for a long time. All right, you got your daily trying to turn back up. It did turn back up. It's at an 81 and a 76. All right, you can see that breakout right there of resistance. The 12-hour is turning back up. All right, you can see the RSI right there at a 43 and a 42. Getting pretty high down here. It's at a 73. So this next push up, if we get it, could have a pullback coming here. All right, the 8-hour is trying to turn back up. It's at a 25 and a 33. So the 65 down here also. Look at this. See how high it's staying up here? If I pull this up and show you just for instance, when it gets up to these levels, could have another push up here, but the RSI, when it resets, usually comes down to these levels, down here. Okay, so it's getting up there. You got your 4-hour is at a 59, all right, and the 4-hour is just turning up. All right, it's at a 22 and a 28. All right, if you see it down here, it's just starting to curve. Look at that curve in it. It's just starting to curve back up. So looks like ADA, and we also have a green candle, is trying to break that resistance up at about 39.5 cents. All right, if it does break through there, your next target up there looks to be about the 40-cent mark, right around the 40-cent region, be the next resistance area. All right, so we're going to put a line up here, right about there. It looks right about the 40-cent mark. Looks like about the next target for this thing. All right, so I would keep an eye on that. Have super great support down through here. Down at 37 is fantastic support down here, right about 37 on the dot. You got all kinds of weekly support through there. On the monthly, yeah, about the same. Right here was a support right there, and here was a resistance level. So 37 ought to hold nice. I would be watching for that 40 cents next, and if it does break through that level, then up at about 43 would be the next one after that. Okay, like I said, I believe ADA is about ready to make a decent run here. All right, you can see if we put the fib on. Let's put the Fibonacci on here and look at this first move, right from this high to the low. It's right up at that 702. That's the level I always talk about. That's where a coin will usually make up its mind. If it breaks through that, what is that, 39 cents, all right? If it breaks through that, then you got the 41 cent, and then we're up through the fib levels, all right? And then we're looking for higher prices for sure. We're right at that 702, right at a crucial spot. So, all right, guys, thank you very, very much. I believe ADA's getting ready to make a next push up here, so we'll see where it goes. Thanks a lot. Have a great night. Please hit the like and subscribe.